In the following figure, there is a tetrahedron OABC given OA is equal to OC is equal to AB is equal to BC is equal to 1. G is the centroid and H is the orthocenter of triangle ABC. If tetrahedron has a maximum volume along with above given conditions, then find tan theta, where theta is equal to angle HOG. You are watching Brain Exploders, the world where brain starts working. So here is the solution. These dark lines are of given length and these dotted lines OB and OC have variable lengths. We can increase and decrease the lengths of OB and AC so as to maximize the volume of this tetrahedron, and these blue lines are just medians of triangle ABC and OEC. Now with these conditions, many figures can be formed, but we are interested in the one with the maximum volume. Now suppose we have many tetrahedrons with identical bases but different heights, and we have to select one with the maximum volume here. Now we know that volume depends on area of base and its height, and area of base is equal in all of these shapes, hence the height must be maximum here, and for maximum height these both medians must be perpendicular to each other, hence this shape here has the maximum volume. Now suppose AD is equal to DC is equal to H and OC is given equal to 1. Therefore OD square is equal to 1 minus H square and OD is equal to under root 1 minus H square. We can see that triangle OAC is congruent to triangle BAC by SSS congruency because all the sides are given equal and here AC is common. Therefore OD must also be equal to BD because both are the medians of congruent triangles. Now let's calculate the volume in terms of H. Here volume is equal to 1/3 of area of base times height. That is volume is equal to 1/3 times OD times half of AC times BD. Now substitute the value of AC, BD and OD. We get volume is equal to 1/3 of H times 1 minus H square. Now for maxima or minima of any function, we have to differentiate it and equate it equal to 0. So here also dV by dH equal to 0, which gives us two values of H, but we are not interested in sign convention, so we will take the positive value only, and its negative value will give us the minimum and its positive value is giving us the maximum of this function, that is maximum volume. So put H is equal to 1 over root 3 and we get OD is equal to BD is equal to root 2 by 3. Now we will calculate the distance of centroid of triangle ABC from the side AC. We know that centroid divides medians in 1:2, hence BG is 2 times of GD. Therefore BG plus GD can also be written as 2GD plus GD. Therefore BD is equal to 3 times of GD and hence GD is equal to BD by 3. Therefore we get GD is equal to root 2 over 3 root 3. Now let's calculate the distance of orthocenter of triangle ABC from the side AC. In triangle ADH and BDC, angle ADH is equal to angle BDC is equal to 90 degree and angle HAD is equal to angle CBD is equal to 90 degree minus angle ACB. Therefore triangle ADH is similar to triangle BDC. Since the ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles is constant, therefore HD over AD is equal to DC over BD, and on substituting the values we get HD is equal to root 3 over 3 root 2. Now we have this final figure with GD is equal to root 2 over 3 root 3 and HD is equal to root 3 over 3 root 2. Here angle HOG is equal to angle DOH minus angle DOG. Therefore tan of angle HOG is equal to tan of angle DOH minus angle DOG. Apply the formula for tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Now from triangle DOH take the value of tan DOH and from triangle DOG take the value of tan DOG. Now substitute the values of all the line segments and finally we get tan theta is equal to 1 over 7 and this is our solution. Let's move to our another question. A square piece of paper is folded in such a way that one of its vertex touches one of its non-adjacent side, due to which three triangles are formed as shown in the figure. Areas of two squares inscribed in two different triangles are 2 square centimeters and 3 square centimeters respectively. Find the area of the square inscribed in third triangle. Here a paper of square shape is folded like this as shown on the screen and 3 squares are inscribed in the triangles. The area of red square is 2 square centimeters. The area of green square is 3 square centimeters. And you have to find the area of this blue square. Try this question and comment as the solution. And if you have any question like this, send us on the Gmail given in the description box. Don't forget to like and share our video, and for more such videos, subscribe to our channel Brain Explorers. Thanks for watching.